Hi guys, in today's video I just wanted to show you Google Search Console. I use this tool for monitoring my search engine optimization on different websites. Um, it's a very powerful tool that actually allows us to manage our search traffic and to monitor the performance of our keywords and our search traffic. Um, So to get started, all we're going to do is just Google Search Console and hit enter, and then we're just going to click on Google Search Console and click on Start Now. I've already got an account, so it's going to bring me into my account. I have notifications over there, and so I've recently created a new website that I still need to set up within Google Search Console. I do already have a domain that has been set up already, as you can see over here. But I'm first just going to show you how you can get started with the new website, and just to add your new domain inside here so that it can actually be tracked, and you can actually monitor the performance of your search engine optimization. So the first thing I need to do is I need to add this domain as into sitemaps so that Google can discover all our URLs, and then it can be ranked by Google in their searches. So for here I just need to go to that website just to get the URL. I'm just gonna copy and paste that URL or whatever website you have, and just copy that URL. You're going to come back in here and you are going to paste that, and you just need to change this to sitemap.xml. Let me just make sure that that's correct. Yeah, that looks correct. Let's go back over there. Ah, it disappeared. Let me just add that again. Sitemap.xml, and I'm going to click submit, and it says it's been submitted successfully. Google will periodically process it and look for changes, and you will be notified if anything goes wrong with it in the future. So it said it couldn't go fetch, but I think it takes a couple of days to pull through, and then once that's pulled through you would be able to view different performance metrics in relation to your keywords or anything that Google might rank your website for. I'll just go through another site that I have just to give you a quick overview of what you can expect when the data does pull through. So as we can see in your overview, you have a performance, and it will tell you the amount of total web search clicks that you have, and the amount of index pages you have. If you go to experience, it'll give you your page experience, your core web vitals, and your mobile usability. These are all amazing attributes or metrics to look out for so that you can improve on Google and rank better in the future. And then it'll give you enhancements over here, your logos. So basically it'll give you a nice checklist to check what you need to resolve or what you need to fix in order to rank better for search engine optimization. A page over here that I love and I use quite often is the performance tab. So if we click on performance on the left, so over here it's going to give us an amazing amount of data, showing us exactly what we need to see in terms of search engine optimization. So this tool is super powerful because it actually helps us track and monitor our searches on Google. So over here we can see total clicks and total impressions. So the top line is our total impressions and the bottom is our total clicks to that impressions. And then over here if you come down and you see the queries, and these are all the top keywords that this website's been ranked for on Google. You can go over here, you can see all the keywords that it's being used and it's being shown on Google for. And this is just amazing to actually see and just to know that your search engine is actually working and Google is showing your website for these keywords. Um, another Let's just see if there's anything else I need to show you guys over here. Overview. I do like this also. If you just click on here, it'll give you your top queries that you rank for on Google. So if you click on here, it will give you your all-time views. It will give you a quick high level overview of your website, amount of views, your average engagement time, the new content you've added, your most popular content, which pages are the most popular, your top traffic channels, where's all your traffic coming from, and then your highest, most searched queries and the keywords that you're the highest for when searching in Google. But yeah, I think if you do have a website and you are trying to rank on Google, which I believe any website needs to do, because it's free traffic, Google Search Console is massively important in that, and you do need it, and it's super powerful, and it will help you get better over time. But yeah, if you guys found that helpful, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you again. Thank you. Bye.